Good morning, class. I, Yash Santwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group. I'm going to start this video on accounts again. Class, let me remind you. Yesterday, on previous session, we have completed till the points of bookkeeping and accounting. I have already told you about bookkeeping and accounting, but today, let us focus once again on these two terms, along with then another term, that is accountancy. So class, as I told you earlier, what do you mean by bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is an art of recording in books of accounts the monetary aspects of commercial or financial transactions. So basically class, bookkeeping is belongs to only the recording of transaction. No further work is provided under the system of bookkeeping. And when we are talking about accounting, accounting starts where bookkeeping ends. It includes the following activities, that is summarizing, analyzing and communicating. That means where our bookkeeping process will going to be end, on the same point our accounting process will start, and the remaining work will be done in this accounting procedure. All right. And when we are talking about the term accountancy, so class, accountancy means it refers to a systematic knowledge of accounting concerned with the principles and techniques which are applied in accounting. So basically accountancy is a systematic knowledge of of doing accounting work. This is the simplest meaning of the word accountancy. All right, so let's move further to our next topic, and our next topic is types or subfields of accounting. So class, basically there are different fields of accounting in this whole accountancy subject, and some of those fields are financial accounting. Financial accounting is the field in which we self are dealing in the class of 11th and 12th, and this is the basic accounting part where we have to pass our journal entries and other things. After that we are having cost accounting. Class, cost accounting is a part where we have to work on the cost of a product, the product which is producing by different kind of companies. So that will be considered as cost accounting. Then it is comes to management accounting. Class, this is the another part of accounting, that is management accounting. It is having two part in it. One is your cost accounting and the another is your audit itself. Then next is your tax accounting. Tax accounting is for calculating our tax liabilities of the companies. Social responsibility accounting, this is not relevant for us. So let's move further to another next topic, important topic. This is users of accounting information and their needs, or parties interested parties interested in accounting information. So basically class, there are two kind of users with us, that is internal users and external users. One is your internal users and another is your external users. So class, let me tell you, internal users means the person who belong to the internal part of our management. Who are those person? They can be owners, they can be the management, they can be the employees. So basically there are three types of internal users with us: owners, management and employees. Class, right now we are going through the users of accounting. That means इन तीन पर्सन का क्या यूज है अकाउंट्स को लेके. ओनर्स आर यूजिंग अकाउंटिंग फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द प्रॉफिट्स. Management is using accounting for conducting all kind of required work to run the organization very successfully. And employees use accounting so that they can have a trust on the organization that yes, the owner is calculating our salaries and all on a very proper and on a very relevant manner. So these are the users of accounting, the internal users of accounting. And now we are going to the external users. Class, external users are those users in who are working outside our organization, or to whom our organization is linked, such as government, such as taxation authorities, such as our customers and other different users. Alright class, so these were the users of accounting. One is your internal user and another is your external users. Now let's talk about some limitations of accounting. What are the limitations of accounting? First is your influenced by personal judgments. Class, accounting can be get influenced by the personal judgments. How it is possible? It is possible like an owner who is doing the business, he can make some kind of difference in his account statement to change the amount of profit, so that the liability of taxation will get reduced. So this is influenced by personal judgment. Then based on accounting concepts and conventions. Class, whole of this accounts subject is completely based on the concepts and conventions, but these concepts and conventions get changed on time to time and on business to business. It cannot remain same. Hence this is again a liability for a limitation for us. Then we are having incomplete information. Many times when we are dealing with account statements, then we have a lot of incomplete things with us, incomplete record with us, because it is not possible for an organization to record each and every transaction on a systematic manner. So that's why we have to face lots of incomplete information while dealing with the accounting system. And some other parts are there, but these are not relevant as well. Now let's talk about the characteristics of accounting, the qualitative characteristics of accounting. First is your reliability. What do you mean by the characteristic of reliability? Class, reliability states that the accounting system, the accounting information must be reliable. Reliability implies that the information must be factual and verifiable. The accounting information is said to be have verifiability if such information can be verified from source document such as cash memos, purchase invoices and sales invoices, correspondence agreement, etc. So basically class, reliability means the system of account should be have some reliable part. That means अकाउंट्स रिलायबल तब हो सकता है जब हम उसको किसी एविडेंस के साथ में प्रेजेंट करते हैं. तो उसके लिए हमारे पास में अलग अलग तरीके के एविडेंसेस उन्होंने बताए हैं, जैसे कि सेल्स इनवॉइसेस, करस्पॉन्डेंस एग्रीमेंट्स एंड एक्सेट्रा. Then it comes to relevance. Accounting information depicted by financial statement must be relevant to the objectives of the enterprise. What they are trying to say is all the accounting system what we are following should have a relevance to the organization itself. If that accounting system is not relevant for the organization, then it is of no use to make such accounting system for that organization. So it should be relevant as well. We can use that accounting statements for our organization. This is what relevance told is. Then next coming is understandability. What do you mean by understandability, class? We must follow the accounting system in such a manner, or we must prepare our accounting statement in such a manner that it can be easily understandable to the users of accounting. This is the understandability characteristic states. Next is your comparability. Comparability states that the accounting statement which we are preparing should have a comparability feature in it. And it means we can compare our own financial statements with our own different kind of year statement, such as हमें देखना है कि हमने करेंट ईयर में कितना प्रॉफिट कमाया और हमने पिछले ईयर में कितना प्रॉफिट कमाया था, सो दैट वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट आवर ग्रोथ. और इट ऑल्सो हैव अ कंपेरेबिलिटी बिटवीन द डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एज वेल. So class, that's all for the very first chapter, that is your meaning and objectives of accounting. Thank you and have a nice day.